inspire niyo ako.
Wow!
I will indulge your storytelling culture here in Pinoy Catholic Stage today. Mamaya po yun. Mag-start po tayo. Gagayahin ko din. Mag-start po tayo. Tuturo ba yan? To release the tension. Kaya kailangan niyo.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Galing ng mga members. Mag-start po ako sa self-talk matters. Wow! Nakinig ako. Self-talk matters. So ako po ay lawyer by profession. Nag-start po akong mag-decide to tell myself that I want to become a lawyer nung ako ay grade 6. Grade 6 in elementary. Tinatanong po ako ng aking teacher, what do you want to become when you are old enough? So sinabi ko po, I want to be a lawyer. So since grade 6, I only had one course in mind kasi back then, 1990s po, very popular for those who want to become a lawyer. Anong course? Political science. Unknowingly, if you graduate from political science, there is very little room for your career. Usually, pag hindi ka naging lawyer, you would be a teacher. So, pero as it is, yun po ang aking decision since grade 6, Paul Science. So when I passed UPCAT, I was in UP. I finished political science in 3 years. Wow, galing. But, of course, mag-move on po ako doon sa ating second speech. Embrace your failures. Kahit po ako sa tingin ko, magaling ako, natapos ko ang course ko in 3 years, ako po ay bumagsak sa law aptitude exam. I didn't make it on my first try to get into the law school of UP. So yun po ang aking failure, which I embraced, and I waited for 1 more year to try again to get into the UP College of Law, and thankfully, with my perseverance and better review practices, ako po ay nakapasok sa UP College of Law. And eventually, ako po ay nakatapos ng law degree ko in 10 years. 10 years po. Ano po ang aking perseverance kasi po ako ay isang working student. So ako po ay nag-aaral sa UP while I was also a research specialist in foreign relations at the Foreign Service Institute. So ako po ay nagbabiyahe from Makati to Quezon City every day through the MRT. So when I say that the struggle is real, I know the struggle is real because I've been through it every day for almost 10 years. So ang clincher sa akin pong life story, my pathway.
Wow!
Nakinig.
May exam mamaya.
So, nag-start po ako, on-site, grade 6, UP Law, 10 years law school. But now, I am here in front of you all as a career diplomat. Kahit po sa Pilipinas, tanungin niyo yung mga kids, nobody will tell you, I want to be a diplomat when I grow up. It's not a popular career. Unless, of course, ang parents are diplomats. But this is my path. I'm here in front of you now, being inspired by your members to tell about my story. This is my path, and I embraced it. And I am very privileged as an 11-year career diplomat. I have been assigned in Saudi Arabia. Ako po ay very familiar sa concerns ng mga OFWs because I am also a son of an OFW. So I wish to tell all of you, congratulations po sa inyong perseverance, sa inyong pagsasagang, pagsusumikap, pagsasakripisyo para sa inyong mga pamilya. Para po sa konsulado, kayo pong lahat, aside from being workers, kayo po ay mga partners ng consulate. Because every event that you organize, you do not only organize an event, you build confidence, you build communities, and you build families. So salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana po kayo ay patuloy na magtagumpay sa inyong mga activities, and sana po lahat ng inyong members ay patuloy sa inyong self-development, and may all of you be blessed with success and continuing fortune. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Sir, thank you. Can you stay on the stage? And we are glad to give you a copy of our book, Embracing Challenges, Transforming Trials, with our coach and mentors and president. And to have a picture taking, mentorship.